How to fix Instagram Notes feature not showing. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Instagram. Go to your DMs and at the top you will find Note. If there is no note, what you can do is go to your profile at the bottom right, then click on three lines at the top right corner of your screen. Then you will simply find Settings and Activity pop up. In here, scroll down or simply click on search at the top and search for activity status. Click on it. After that, turn on show activity status. After you turn this on, your problem might be fixed. If this does not solve your problem, open Play Store and search for Instagram. After that, instead of if you find update like this, simply click on update. Sometimes not updating your app may have the problem. And after it's updated, if it still does not fix your problem, open Instagram, go to your profile, then click on three lines at the top right. In here, scroll down till you find report a problem. Simply click on help. And then you'll find report a problem. Click on it. Then at the bottom, click on report problem without shaking. After that, simply click on include and continue. And in here, type in hello Instagram. I cannot see the notes feature on Instagram. Please help me to get it back and press on send at the top right corner of your screen and you're good to go. Instagram will get back to you and solve your problem. This is how to fix Instagram Notes feature not showing. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.